How to edit a PDF document using your MacBook, or you can do the same thing on your phone as well. This is what we're going to learn in today's video. I was facing this problem recently. I had to edit a PDF document. So what I did was what most people would do, Google and search PDF editor. Now, when I do that, you're going to see that a lot of results pop up. Some of these are sponsored, some of these are not sponsored, but you're going to get these links which tell you to, just go click on this link and edit your PDF documents online. There are a couple of problems with this method. One, you are not sure about these links. You're not sure which link is secure for you to be able to go and upload your personal documents, maybe with sensitive information. Second problem is that even with the ones that are legitimate, once you're done making all those changes, and it takes time, you upload the document, start making changes, everything works just perfectly fine. When you're done, you want to download the document, and guess what? It asks you to once sign up and then to pay for it. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to download the file. And you don't want to pay a monthly or yearly subscription for downloading or making changes to one file that you are going to do maybe once in 6 months or a year. So I didn't want to pay any extra money. So I started looking for other ways, maybe better ways to be able to edit your PDF documents for free in just a few minutes without any hassle securely. And the best method I could find was to use Canva. And I'm going to tell you how you can use Canva. So we're going to type Canva, Google it, and it's going to take you to the website. So this is the website, canva.com. Open it up. And if you're not signed up or logged in already, first it'll ask you to sign up and log in. Just do that. And once you've done that, you're going to be on this main page. This is the home page of Canva. And in order to upload your file that you want to make changes to or you want to edit, you have a couple of methods. One is to simply click the upload button here, and the other one is to click create a design and choose an A4 paper. Just type A4, it's going to give you A4 portrait. Just click on it, it'll open up a blank white paper. Once it opens up, on the left side, you're going to see the upload button. Just click on the upload button and upload your file from here. It's going to start appearing here from where you can drag it and make changes. The other method is, as I said, to simply click on, let me go back actually to my home page, and we're going to try doing this from the home page again. So I'm going to click the upload button. It'll ask me to choose a file. So I'll click choose files and then select the file that I want to make changes to. This is the file that I want to edit, let's suppose. So I'm going to click on it. It'll upload this file onto my computer. And here is the file. I just need to click on it and it'll open it up. And as soon as it opens up, you guys would see that it is already editable. So I can make changes simply by hovering over, and whatever section I want to change, I'll just make changes there. So as an example, this person's name here is Richard Wright. Let's suppose I want to change it to something else. Richard Powell, Richard Powell, right? I was easily able to make those changes, and you can do the same thing in all these fields. So for example, if I want to change his title, I can make changes to the title. I can say marketing manager. So I made the changes and made it marketing manager. And I can change this information here. If I want to change the phone number, I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, made those changes, email, everything else is pretty much the same. Even if I want to change the picture, I can do that. I'm able to click on the photo, upload a new picture and make changes there. Once you're done making all the changes, now when it comes to downloading this file back to the computer, how do you do that? And it would not ask you to pay extra money. All you need to do, as long as you're not using paid elements or stuff like that on Canva, you can simply easily make changes to your documents. Text, etc. is free. You don't have to pay money for that. Now, in order to download, you need to click on the share button that appears here on the top right corner. After you click share, you would have to click download. And once you click download, you guys can see it's currently in the PNG format. You need to change that. Otherwise, it's going to download it as a photo. We don't want to download it as a photo. We want to download it as a PDF file. And in order to do that, select PDF standard from file type, PDF standard, and then click download. As you guys can see, it has started downloading our file already onto our computer. It's done. Now I'm going to open it up just to show you how it looks. You guys can see we made changes, made it Richard Powell. We changed the number, we changed the designation. If we would have made changes here, everything is appearing here. The quality is pretty good. It's a PDF document, and now you can use this document wherever you want to. That's how easy it is to make changes or edits for free to your PDF documents just using Canva. If you need a separate video and if you want me to cover the same thing on my phone, I can show you how you can do it on your phone as well. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.